In chapter 23, demigods regain the heavenly planets. Balimraj and his grandfather Prahlad entered the planet Sutala, and Vamanadeva allowed Indra to re-enter the heavenly planet. In the purport of text 2, Prabhupada explains, when Vamanadeva appeared before Bali, Bali immediately wanted to offer him respectful obeisances, but he was not able because of the presence of Shukracharya and other demons. Balimraj did endeavor within his mind to offer obeisances. So Vamanadeva blessed him with more mercy than even the demigods could get. Swapam apyasya dharmasya chayate mahato bayat. So Krishna is known as Bhava Grahi Janardhan. He takes only the essence of a devotee's attitude. If a devotee sincerely surrenders, the Super Soul immediately understands this surrender. Externally, a devotee may not render full service, but internally, if he's sincere and serious, Krishna welcomes his service nonetheless. Because the Lord is known as Bhava Grahi Janardhan, he takes the essence of one's devotional mentality. The heart and mind is very important in the rendering of devotional service. Krishna is examining the heart with sincerity, so we should be sincere at all times. Chapter 15, Shukracharya. After this pastime, he meets with Lord Vamanadeva and speaks to him. Mantratas tantratas chidram desha kalara vastuta sarvam karoti nischidram anusankirtanam tava. In the performance of yajna, or sacrifice, Shukracharya said, in the performance of yajna or sacrifice, there may be many discrepancies in pronouncing mantras, observing regulative principles, discrepancies in time, place, person, and paraphernalia. But when your Lordship's holy name is chanted, everything becomes faultless. So here Shukracharya is preaching Nam Sankirtan above yajna and puja and archan, which is so much difficult and complicated and prone to faults. He emphasizes that everything becomes faultless. Sarvam karoti nischidram. That chanting Krishna's name makes everything faultless. Because in Kali Yuga it's very difficult to perform homas or yajnas perfectly. Hardly anyone can chant the Vedic mantras with perfect pronunciation or accumulate the paraphernalia for Vedic performances. Like ghee, for example. Can hardly find any cow's ghee in all of India. People in Bombay are running to the desert of Rajasthan, to Bikaner, to try to buy a kilo of ghee. Or some pious gentlemen are spending lots of money and time to privately keep a few cows in order to produce a kilo of ghee, because it's nowhere available in the market. Everywhere in India, the so-called land of Dharma, land of religion, everywhere people are eating dalda, so-called vegetable ghee, or at best buffalo ghee. Cow's ghee is very rare, hard to find, and to find it is very costly and dubious whether it's even really cow's ghee. To perform proper yajnas and homas, only cow's ghee can be used, no other ghee is acceptable. All these homas and yajnas that go on in the name of puja and Satyanarayan puja, yajnas and sacrifices are all nakli. They're all bogus because they're using buffalo ghee and other impure substitutes which are unacceptable to Lord Vishnu and the Devas. They don't eat it, they don't accept it. So the yogi is worthless. Prabhupada explains, I have seen that many religious leaders are addicted to performing yagyas and spending hundreds and thousands of rupees for imperfect sacrificial performances. Shukracharya is giving a lesson for those who unnecessarily execute such imperfect sacrifices. We should take the advice of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and chant the Hare Krishna mantra and propagate Nam Sankirtan. Although Shukracharya was a strict Smarta Brahmin, addicted to ritualistic activities, he also admitted, Nishchidram anusankirtanam tava. My Lord Vamanadev, constant chanting of your holy name, of your Lordship, makes everything perfect. In the Sandarbhas, Bhakti Sandarbha, Jiva Goswami recommends that in all the different limbs of devotion, especially Archan, deity worship, there should always be chanting the holy name of Krishna. Therefore, in ISKCON, we give special stress to chanting the Hare Krishna mantra in all activities. It's the constant chanting of the holy name, Anusankirtanam, will purify everyone and purify all the elements and all the places and all the people and all the thoughts and activities, and bring everyone to the perfection of life, loving service of Bhagavan Sri Krishna.